everyone, it's Sammy from Scrapmaster's Paradise, and today I've got a combined haul to share with you. I've got a couple of monthly kits in this combined haul, and I will share those kits in detail in my upcoming videos. So I want to walk through everything that I got. So first up, I went to the after Christmas clearance at Target, and I found these cute little alphabet stickers. These were in the dollar section. They were $1 originally, but they were 50 cents right now. And I think they were just super duper cute. So I got 2 packs of those. I thought I could use those on some Christmas things coming up. And then I also got my Elle Studio December kit, and I will walk through this kit in my next video for you guys. And then I also got my Freckled Fawn December kit. I end up getting all of the pieces. So there's the embellishment kit plus the journaling cards, and also the embellishment kit plus the 12x12 papers. And I also got an extra thing of journaling cards. So that I will walk through in my following video. And then the last thing that I got was Expressions vinyl order. So I'm going to be making some labels with my Silhouette Cameo for some spice jars. I want to redo my spice area. And so I ended up getting some of this 12x12 pre-cut white vinyl. And this is the Expressions Vinyl Series brand. It's the removable white vinyl. I ended up getting 7 sheets of this. I thought I could use this for other projects as well. I've got other jars that I could label. So I just got their white, and then I also got their transfer sheets. These are called transfer tape, and I got the opaque one, so you can kind of see through them. It's not fully see-through, but it helps you kind of line things up. And I decided, instead of getting the rolls, to get the 12x12s because I could store them easier in my existing storage. They could just, sit upright with my pattern papers, and it would be an easy way for me to store it. Plus, I can also just attach it to the cutting mat really easily, since the cutting mat is 12x12. So I was super excited about this, and I thought, while I was going ahead and ordering, I would get one of their color sample kits because they had so many colors in this Oracal brand. That I wanted to get the color palette so I could, pick out the right shades of pink and the right shades of aqua when I'm doing some other projects for the house. So I just picked this up. I think this one was $4.99, so it was a little extra purchase, but I wanted to have the actual, color samples for the future. So I'll just hold on to this, and then I will be working on my spice jars coming up soon. There's a little dot. So I actually am an affiliate for Expressions Vinyl, so I'll leave a referral link in the description box if you want to check them out. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick combined haul. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching.